Hiya folks, Lone Wolf here again and welcome back to the channel. So, I went on the hunt for what I fancied as a change of the exhaust pipe. Have a look what I come up with. So then, we started off with the original. I'll put a picture on here for you. Like that, there was no issues at all with that, other than the fact it was a bit quiet. And I fancied something a bit more raspy to it. So I had a look round, and then I come up with this. As you can see on this one, I've had to make up the link pipes and stuff like that from the cap myself, because obviously, as you know, the only real way to get the perfect link pipe fit on the GX is to buy the custom made stuff, which is cost an arm and a leg. So I'll come up with my own ideas. I've got some pipes and stuff off my CF and stuff like that. So I'll come up with this, and I quite liked it. I quite liked it, to be honest. Other than the fact that it stuck out a bit too much at the back. And in fairness, you took the baffle out, and it ain't a lot of difference, to be honest. There weren't a lot of difference in it. So back to the drawing board. It was only a couple of quid, it wasn't a lot of money, and I'll farm it on, somebody will buy it at some point, no doubt. So then, I've come up with this. And now I've come up with this baby. Austin Racing, American pipe. Again, I've used a different link pipe between this. This is so short to get onto the original end of the cat. I had a pipe that I got here. I've made up, it's basically off my CF, and I've had to alter it slightly. So what do you think of that? Now, I like it because it's short and stubby. It actually isn't that much in distance in length from the original. And it weighs nothing. It's so light, it's unreal. It comes with the baffle. I'll show you. So there's the baffle and the contraption it all fits in with. That comes together. Takes a bit of work when that's in, but you can well imagine that soon got jettisoned. So then, Austin Rising. So this thing has to come off, because obviously it's supposed to fit there like that, but I think the bracket and everything will just completely obscure it. Not worth it, so I'll use this somewhere else. Okay then folks, so what do you think of that? Budget price exhaust. Makes a nice sound. I should imagine once it's open it will give it some sound sweet when I'm on the road. Difficult to always tell when you're stationary. And I'm deaf, as you know. I mean, almost completely deaf now. And with my hearing aids in, it sounds awful and tinny. But when I take my hearing aids out, and it sounds all right to me. And again, say, the budget cost. So leave us a comment, let us know what you think. I'm not quite as hooligan with this one. Although one or two of my mates have just said to me, what size shelves does that rocket launcher take? It ain't that bad, trust me. Right, quick short video. So till next time, it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now. Don't forget, tick, like, subscribe, keep this channel growing. We're getting there bit by bit. Come on, you Suzuki boys, keep following me. Let's get it moving. CF boys were awesome, to be honest. They were always on the tube, commenting and everything. Suzuki boys are a little bit quieter. Perhaps a little more reserved, I don't know. Anyway, till next time, it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. Lone Wolf, bye for now.